Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use hashtags on Instagram. So before you open up the Instagram, please update the app from the Play Store or the App Store. Now this will work both in Android as well as on iPhone. Now open up the Instagram app. So suppose you are on your home screen, okay, and you want to add a photo or a reel or a video. So right now I am going to add a photo where the hashtags are mostly used. So if I will click on the plus sign at the top of the right hand, okay, then I will click on post here. Now I need to select a pic here. Okay, suppose I'm going to select this one. Okay, now adjust it. You can apply some filters and all that. Now click here. Now I can apply some filters and all that. Okay, I don't want to apply anything. Now I will click on next. Now it is processing. Add reminder. Okay, now after writing the caption, okay, here suppose I will write mustard fields. Now here you can, after writing the caption, you can actually add hashtags here. Okay, now one of the things to keep in mind that you can add 30 hashtags at the maximum. Okay, now for this there are so many apps. You can also use the hash here. Okay, now I will start typing here and it will start showing me some results here, like mustard field is there, and the number of public posts that you have. Okay, however you can use any one of them, or you can use multiple of them. You can use up to 30 hashtags here. However, you can download some apps here that are more good in finding the hashtags. So I have an app here, hashtag inspector. Okay, now you will get a search bar here in the hashtag inspector here. Now suppose I will type mustard and I need to click on search here. Okay, अब आप एक्सेल का काम आसानी से अपने फोन से कर सकते हैं. Okay, now you can see mustard and related to yellow food. Okay, tasty ketchup and all that. So these are the related one. Now you can click on the mustard one. Now mustard field, mustard yellow. Now what you can do is, the best way to get more traffic from the hashtags is to include all the hashtags that are from 100k to 1000k. Okay, that means that are from like 1 lakh to 10 lakh. So I can choose the this one that like 358.1k, this one, and mustard seed is there, mustard greens is there, mustard seed faith is there, something like that. Okay, you can go and search for different kind of and that is hashtags related to your pics. Okay, then you can include all of them and click on selected here. Okay, that is 6, it is showing 6. You can select up to 30. Mustard love is there, mustard flowers is there, mustard seeds is there. Okay, just like this. Then you need to click on selected here. ये ऐड तो स्किप नहीं कर सकते, पर लोन के लिए वेटिंग टाइम तो स्किप कर सकते हैं. Okay, so once you are here, simply click on copy to clipboard, click on OK, then go back to the Instagram here and simply click here and tap and hold and click on paste here. Okay, so just like this all are coming. Now click on the right sign at the top right hand corner. Okay, now it will post the pic here. It is finishing up, you can see at the top. So now if you will see at the bottom of the post, you can see the hashtags that I'm using. So if you are using like 30 hashtags, or depending upon you, you can use less or you can use more. So using 30 hashtags with the prescribed limit that I have told you, you'll get maximum traffic from the hashtags, and that's how you can use it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.